Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, your destination for the latest in automotive updates. Today, we're diving into one of the most nostalgic revivals in Indian automotive history, the return of the iconic Hindustan Ambassador, reimagined for 2025 as the Ambassador 1800 ISZ. This isn't just a car, it's a legacy making a bold comeback. Design, classic meets contemporary. The 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ retains the unmistakable silhouette that once ruled Indian roads, but with a modern twist. Hindustan Motors has preserved its retro charm with the round headlamps, wide grille, and signature stance. However, it now features LED lighting, sharper lines, and refined chrome accents. The car blends nostalgia with sophistication, ensuring it appeals both to purists and modern buyers. Performance, power, and practicality. Under the hood, the new Ambassador houses a reliable 1,800 cubic centimeters ISZ petrol engine, tuned for a smooth yet responsive driving experience. It delivers around 120 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual or optional automatic transmission. The Ambassador 1800 ISZ is not designed to be a performance car, but rather a dependable urban cruiser with improved torque delivery and efficiency. Fuel economy is expected to hover around 14 to 16 km/L, a practical figure for city and highway use alike. Interior, comfort redefined. Step inside, and you'll notice the transformation. The cabin features dual-tone leatherette upholstery, a modern infotainment touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, automatic climate control, and soft ambient lighting. Rear seat space, one of the original Ambassador's strong suits, remains generous, offering unmatched legroom and comfort in its segment. The new model also includes advanced NVH insulation for a quieter ride. Safety and technology. Hindustan Motors has ensured the 2025 Ambassador meets modern safety standards. It comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, rear parking sensors with a camera, and even basic ADAS features in higher variants. This is a significant upgrade from the bare-bones safety of the original model. Pricing and launch details. The 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ is expected to be priced between 9 Indian rupees to 13 Indian rupees lakhs, depending on the variant. Official bookings are likely to begin by late 2025, with deliveries slated for early 2026. The car will be available in both standard and premium trims, targeting both family buyers and nostalgia-driven enthusiasts. Outro, the return of an icon. The Hindustan Ambassador is back, not just as a memory, but as a modern sedan ready to reclaim its legacy. Stay tuned to Pro Wheelhouse for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all things auto.